As the launch of the Samsung Galaxy S25 draws closer, excitement continues to build around the new features, particularly its camera enhancements. Samsung is well known for pushing the boundaries of mobile technology, and the Galaxy S25 series is expected to do just that. Leaks have revealed some intriguing details about the camera improvements, which could redefine the mobile photography experience. One of the most talked about upgrades involves the overall camera quality. The Galaxy S25 Ultra is at the forefront of these changes with a major focus on reducing noise and improving clarity, especially in low light conditions. This improvement comes from a new sensor that utilizes the full area of the sensor during video recording. Unlike previous models that primarily focused on the central portion of the sensor, this new approach captures a wider field, potentially enhancing video sharpness and detail. This could be a major step forward for anyone who loves recording videos on their smartphone. Another exciting development is the enhancement of the ultra-wide camera. According to leaks, the Galaxy S25 Ultra's ultra-wide camera will deliver up to 4 times better image quality than the Galaxy S24 Ultra. This means users can expect crisper, more detailed wide-angle shots, even when lighting isn't ideal. Whether you're shooting landscapes or group photos, this upgrade should make a significant difference. Additionally, the new audio eraser feature is generating a lot of buzz. This tool promises to remove unwanted background noise from video recordings, offering clearer and more professional-sounding audio, a welcome addition for anyone who frequently records videos on their phone. In terms of AI capabilities, the Galaxy S25 series is rumored to use artificial intelligence to enhance both color and brightness by up to 43%. This AI-driven feature aims to make photos and videos more vibrant and true to life, adding richness to the colors and improving the overall dynamic range. Whether you're capturing a sunset or shooting a fast-moving subject, this AI enhancement will likely result in better, more accurate visuals. For video enthusiasts, the Galaxy S25 is expected to support the ability to record in log format, a feature that will appeal to professional videographers. Recording in log format allows for greater flexibility in post-production, especially for color grading and adjusting dynamic range. This feature could be a game changer for content creators who want to create cinematic videos using their smartphone. In terms of performance, the Galaxy S25 series is set to offer smoother camera operations thanks to the new Snapdragon 8 Elite processor. This chip comes with an upgraded image single processor, ISP, that improves processing speeds, making switching between lenses quicker and more responsive. This means you'll experience faster focus, smoother transitions between camera modes, and less lag when capturing images or videos. Whether you're shooting fast action or just trying to capture the perfect moment, this upgrade should provide a smoother experience overall. As for the camera specifications, the Galaxy S25 and Galaxy S25 Plus are expected to feature a 50-megapixel primary rear camera with optical image stabilization, OIS, a 12-megapixel ultra-wide camera, and a 10-megapixel telephoto camera with OIS. The front-facing camera will likely remain at 12-megapixel unit, ensuring sharp selfies and high-quality video calls. These models will likely share similar hardware with their predecessors, but the new software improvements and the upgraded processor should result in better overall performance and image quality. For those who want the best of the best, the Galaxy S25 Ultra is expected to have a remarkable camera setup. This model is rumored to come with a 200-megapixel primary rear camera, a 50-megapixel ultra-wide camera, a 10-megapixel telephoto camera, and a second 50-megapixel telephoto camera with 5x optical zoom. With this camera system, the Galaxy S25 Ultra is clearly designed for users who demand top-tier photography performance. The front camera is also expected to be a 12-megapixel unit, offering high-quality selfies and video calls. The Galaxy S25 series is shaping up to be a serious contender for the best smartphone camera of the year. Whether you're a casual user looking to capture beautiful memories or a professional photographer who needs more control over their images, the Galaxy S25 has something for everyone. As we approach Samsung's official reveal, it's clear that the Galaxy S25 series is going to offer a range of exciting new features, especially in the realm of mobile photography. Keep an eye out for more updates as the launch date nears, because this is one smartphone release you won't want to miss. Thanks for watching, and we will see you in the next video. Samsung is set to make waves in the mid-range smartphone market with the upcoming Galaxy A36 and Galaxy A56. These new devices promise to offer a sleek design, impressive performance, and advanced features, all while maintaining an affordable price tag. With a significant upgrade in charging technology, these models are bound to capture the attention of users worldwide. One of the standout features of the Galaxy A36 and A56 is their 45-watt fast charging capability. Both devices will support charging at 10 volts and 4.5 amperes, drastically reducing the time users spend waiting for their phones to charge. This feature is a game changer, allowing users to enjoy their devices more and spend less time tethered to an outlet. The 45-watt charging technology, which has previously been limited to certain markets, is now available globally, bringing fast charging to a wider audience. Design-wise, the Galaxy S36 and S56 share many similarities, both devices featuring a large Super AMOLED display that offers vibrant colors and deep blacks. The key island design on the right side of both phones adds a unique touch, while the vertically aligned triple-camera setup on the rear provides a modern and sleek look. The Galaxy S36 does have slightly thicker bezels compared to the S56, but both devices maintain a premium feel in hand, making them visually appealing and comfortable to hold. Both phones will run on the latest Android 15 operating system, paired with Samsung's One User Interface 7. This combination ensures a smooth and user-friendly experience. Samsung is also known for providing long-term software support. These models will receive up to 6 major Android updates, keeping them current with the latest features and security improvements for years to come. In terms of performance, the Galaxy S36 is powered by the Qualcomm Snapdragon 6 Gen 3 processor, paired with a minimum of 6 GB of RAM and 128 GB of internal storage. This configuration offers smooth performance for everyday tasks, including social media browsing, video streaming, and light gaming. The Galaxy S56 steps up the performance with a more powerful Exynos 1580 processor, which offers enhanced processing power and better graphics performance. Both processors feature octa-core central processing units with 4 high-performance cores for demanding applications and games. Photography enthusiasts will appreciate the camera setup on both devices. Each phone features a 50-megapixel primary rear camera, allowing users to capture detailed and vibrant photos in a variety of conditions. The 12-megapixel front-facing camera ensures clear, sharp selfies and well-lit video calls. Whether you're snapping pictures of your latest adventures or connecting with friends and family via video chat, the Galaxy S36 and S56 are equipped to deliver high-quality results. Both phones also support a range of connectivity features. The Galaxy S36 and S56 are 5G compatible, providing fast data speeds for streaming, gaming, and browsing. They also include global navigation satellite system support for precise location tracking, Bluetooth 5.3 or 5.4 for seamless connections to wireless accessories, near-field communication for contactless payments, and a USB Type-C port for charging and data transfer. With stereo speakers, these phones deliver impressive audio quality, making them ideal for media consumption. Additionally, the devices come with an IP67 rating, meaning they are resistant to both dust and water, adding to their durability. A large 5,000 mAh battery powers both the Galaxy S36 and S56, ensuring that users can enjoy all-day usage without worrying about running out of charge. The combination of a long-lasting battery and 45-watt fast charging means users can quickly top up their devices when needed, without sacrificing their valuable time. The Galaxy S36 and S56 are strong contenders in the mid-range smartphone market. With their powerful processors, stunning displays, advanced camera systems, and fast charging capabilities, these devices offer a well-rounded package for users who want premium features without the high price tag. Samsung continues to push the boundaries of innovation, making these phones an attractive option for tech enthusiasts and casual users alike. If you're looking for a smartphone that combines performance, design, and value, the Galaxy S36 and S56 should be on your radar. Thank you for watching. Make sure to subscribe for more updates, and we'll catch you in the next video. The wait is almost over, and Samsung is ready to unveil its next